Every truck that enters here carries more than just a load. It carries business, deadlines, commitments, and promises. Because every journey depends on reliability, and every minute of the road costs something. But when challenges happen, you need more than just repairs. You need a partner you can trust. That is why at JA Plant Move, we are committed to keeping your trucks moving with expert technicians, genuine parts, and reliable after-sales support across Ghana. From the workshop to the roadside, we are always ready, because behind every successful journey is a team that never stops working. For expert truck servicing, genuine parts, and dependable after-sales support, choose JA Pool Ghana Ltd today. Visit our workshop or contact our team now on 055-208-8161 or 0555-777-577. JA Pool Ghana Ltd. Rugged performance, reliable service.